Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to update your Windows 11 to latest updates. So let's get started. Go here to search bar and type settings. Open settings. Now here you can see in your left panel, in the last option you can see your Windows update. Click on here. Now on the top of here you can see I have already got one update, so click on download and install all. So it will start checking for updates. Now click for check for updates. It will take a few minutes and it will tell me if I have any latest update remaining or not. Till then, just scroll down and go here, advanced option. It will show you the delivery optimization, optional updates and active hours and other update settings. Click on here. Now first of all you have to turn on your receive updates for other Microsoft products, then turn off notify me when a restart is required to finish updating. Turn on, and you have to also turn on this get me to up to date, so it will restart as soon as possible, even after notify you 15 minutes before restarting. So it will keep your device up to date and while unplugging with your battery charges. Now go to optional updates. Okay, I have not got any optional updates. Now go to recovery. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. So you can also reinstall your current version of your Windows by clicking on reinstall now, and it will reset to the previous version of your Windows 11 update, and that's it. Now again we have to go back to check for updates. Now you can see here we are up to date and we got no latest updates, and that's it guys. Now you know how to keep your Windows 11 up to date, and I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. You can also pause updates for time interval. You can pause until 5 weeks, but I will suggest you to pause for 1 week. And that's it guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.